Thanks for coming. My name is Jai, this is Nelson. This is a great opportunity to talk a little bit about you. We have analyzed your resume and would like to discuss a little bit about this job opportunity and knowing you know better. Can you please describe yourself in 1 minute about your life and what would you like to do, your life?
Yes, I'm looking for this job because I am finishing my graduate, my degree. I am finishing my degree, so I want to find an internship. So here, I think that as an engineering trainee, I can apply all the knowledge that I learned in school, and I'm studying biomedical engineering. So I think I can help the company, and I have good learning skills. I can learn very fast. I guess, I'm not sure, and I know I can communicate well with people. I am good to talk, to work in team. I am good to work in teams. I like to work in teams, and I still love what I do. I really like all the things that I studied, and I think when I was in the high school, I studied a technician course, and the technician course I was in automation, electronic automation, and after I worked a little in a company called X2 Technology here in Santa Rita. And there I was able to work not only in the technical area, but also in the in the business area. So I know a little bit of all the parts of a company.
And what about your personal life? Are you here? What would you like to do?
I'm a calm person, and I like to talk a lot with people. I like to hang out, to going out with friends. This is what I like. I'm not very ambitious.
Do you work well under pressures? I mean, in stress situation? What do you think?
Yes, I think everybody has problems when is stressed, but I can work in stressful situations. I am better when I'm calm, but I still can work when I'm stressed, because when I used to do my internship, I had to face problems, and I had to face, for example, I needed to finish my job until 5 o'clock, and some days I needed to stay there until 6 o'clock, and I needed to stay, so I stood there. And I think I can.
What's your expectation about this job, about the company, if you get the job?
I looked for the job because I like the idea of working in the whole process, because I like to see all the parts of a company, and this is the first thing that I looked to apply for the interview.
And how do you think you can contribute at the end of the training process? Because we're going to hire someone for a training position, and after that, this person is going to work with the managing team and showing process and how we can improve how you think you can contribute on that.
I can help, I guess, because I have the knowledge that I learned in Intel, and I'm sure it's a great school, and I can learn very fast. So if I needed to learn another thing, I will be able to do it. And as I can work in team, I can help because I will be able to contribute more with the company.
And do you have some hobby?
Hobby. I like to draw and
What kind of drawing?
draw.
Computer and paper?
No, I like to draw with paper and
Okay.
HB pencil. I really like to draw, and I like violin, but I still didn't have the opportunity to learn. But someday, and I like to sing too, but I don't sing well.
And what do you do for fun?
For fun.
Yes.
I watch movies. I really like watching movies. And I don't like a lot of horror movies. I prefer drama movies or comedy because they make me feel well. Even the most sadder dramas make me feel good. Not because they are sad, but because they give you a life lesson. And I really like it.
And what success means for you?
Success means it's a difficult question. For me, it means happiness, and because I think that I can't be successful without my friends and my family. And I think it's more important to conciliate my personal life with my job than killing myself. So I really want to give all my best for the job, but I think it's essential to still have friends, still have hobbies. I really need that. I need time to myself and time to my family. But successful for me is looking for the top, but not forgetting the basis of life.
And have you thought about your future from 5 years from now on, 10 years?
5 years from now, I want to be doing a master degree, and I'm not sure if I will still live in Santa Rita or be living in another city. If I got the job here, I will stay here, as the company is here. But if I didn't find a job today and I need to move for another city, I would go with no problems. But my plans are to do the master degree because in the future I plan to be a professor, a college professor.
And so I think that being in front of some audience, talking with, interact with people, doing some presentation is not a problem.
It was a problem, a bigger problem when I was younger, but today I'm solving this problem.
Are you confident about that? Are you confident?
Yes, I'm confident because I did drama. When I was at high school, I joined the drama club and I used it to play places where I needed to show myself for 800 people. So for me, I can't say it's easy, but it's a little common, and I want to develop this.
Okay, I think we are out of time.
That's
We're out of
right.
time, and thanks a lot for coming. It was a pleasure talking with you, and we're going to check everything. And we hope to give some feedback soon.
Thank you.
Thanks.